Unlock the storytelling potential of your Nikon Z50 and start capturing stunning video right now. First, let's get your Z50 ready for video by switching to movie mode. Locate the dedicated video record button, usually found near the shutter release, and press it. You'll see the camera's screen change to a video interface, often indicated by a red dot or a movie frame icon. Now, let's dive into the essential settings. Press the menu button and navigate to the movie settings section. Here, you'll find options for resolution and frame rate for high-quality footage. Consider shooting in 4K UHD, which offers the most detail. If you want smoother motion or plan to slow down your footage, a higher frame rate like 60 frames per second is ideal for a standard look. 30 frames per second is a great starting point. When it comes to focus, we want your subject sharp for most situations. Autofocus for movies, or AFF, will be your best friend. This mode allows the camera to continuously adjust focus as you record, ensuring your subject stays in focus even if it moves. You can typically engage AFF through a dedicated AF mode button or within the movie settings menu. To achieve stable footage, proper handling is key. Hold your Z50 with both hands, keeping your elbows close to your body. This acts as a natural stabilizer if you have a tripod or monopod. Using one will provide the steadiest results, especially for static shots or slow pans. Exposure is crucial for well-balanced video. Your Z50 usually has an auto exposure mode for movies, which works well in many scenarios. However, for more control, you can switch to manual exposure. This allows you to adjust aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to achieve the desired brightness and depth of field. A good starting point is to ensure your subject is neither too dark nor too bright, with details visible in both the shadows and highlights. Practice these fundamental settings, and you'll be capturing professional video with your Nikon Z50 in no time. Experiment with different resolutions, frame rates, and focus modes to see what works best for your creative vision.